10a, we're looking at how we can use the Hungarian algorithm to allocate. Now, this will involve a three-step scenario. Number one, we draw it out. Number two, we undergo row reduction. Now, in row reduction, we find that only 2 lines are required in order to cover the zero. So that's simply not enough. We've got to then proceed with column reduction. Now, when I've undertaken the column reduction, only 3 lines cover the zeros. So what I do, I select the smallest uncovered number, which in that case is 1. I'm going to add that number to the numbers that are crossed twice, and then subtract it from any other uncovered number. So there'll be 1 and 4 and 0 and 1 and 1 and 0, and that will become 1 and 5. And when we do that, we end up with a scenario where you can allocate on each case. In other words, what we'll find is that A can be allocated to Y, and B to Z, C to X, and D to W. Going back to the original question, you can see here how I've made the circling, 3, 4, 3, and 4. That will give me a total of 14 or $14 when I do my costings. And then I've had to do a bipartite graph as well in order to allocate them out. Please, when you're doing these questions, make sure you're sitting there with your Hungarian algorithm instructions.